First of all, sir, I welcome you in this live session of India English Bolega Abhiyan. Really, sir, I'm big fan of you. Whenever I watch your video, really, I feel amazing and just I feel the motivation that you are working for the changing, transforming India. India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. I have started. It was my dream to speak this language. Finally, just I'm here. Just I can convey my messages in this language. So I feel amazing, so fortunate because of me. A lot of students they are being able to speak this language, sir. Please go and introduce yourself, sir.
Sure. Thanks very much for inviting me to your channel. My name is Sunil. I hail from Delhi. By profession, I have been a trainer. I do train people from all walks of life for their speaking skills. I do have a YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Speak More with Sunil. Talking about my hobby, I love listening to music. That's all.
Great, sir. Actually, we are on the same boat, and really, it is amazing journey. You know that very respectful and very amazing journey. And really, I tell you about myself. It was
Yes,
very
please.
difficult for me to speak 5 lines in this language, but my trainers, my gurus, they gave me the motivation, the determination that you determine. First, you have to determine yourself that if you have the goal, you just become consistent. If you are consistent and you are ready to pay your time, efforts, money, nobody can stop you to speak this language. And so it was amazing for me for my journey. And a lot of students they have the nervousness whenever they talk to the people. They feel hesitation, nervousness. What should I talk? What should I talk? And really, it will be wrong, right, wrong, right. Then, what is your opinion, sir, about while English speaking? Many times we commit mistakes.
Yes, Suraj, the point is the first step is the hardest. It is inevitable if you try something that you have never ever done before. You are bound to make several mistakes. What we can do is we can work on our mistakes. If I have four mistakes while speaking, what I'll try to do, I'll cut down my mistakes. And I'm going to have all my mistakes on the brain. That's how I can improve. And it is also explicit. This is our second language. And in order to learn this language, we have to make a lot of effort. Without an effort, you can't learn this language. If you don't do that, there are other ways to learn this language. For me, listening is one of the top priority. When it comes to listening, I go for that. If you listen good content, you can become a good speaker at the same time. So listening should be there, and speaking. What you listen to, you should try to bring in your conversation. You should bring it to your day-to-day conversation or whatever you do. You must bring it there. So this is what I want to take. I want to say yes.
Most of the time, it happens that we see that, oh my God, that speaker is fantastic. Like I'm big fan of Dr. Sasi Tharoor. Yes, but whenever just we listen him, we can understand that, oh my God, if he is speaking in this tone, is in this tonality and the I think pauses and all the things he uses, we think that it is very easy and just we can do it very easily. But when it comes to practical, the time we feel great hesitation. We can't speak properly, same to same like Sasi Tharoor. What is the reason, sir? And what have you the solution for this?
Right. Talking about Shashi Tharoor, I would say he is one of the best speakers of English. If we can certainly dream to be like Shashi Tharoor, we can dream to be like Shah Rukh Khan, we can dream to be like Karan Johar. These all are great speakers. They are eloquent speakers, I must say. We can certainly be like them. First of all, You must understand what your level is, what type of communication skills you want. If you understand that, I think journey is not very far or the day is not very far. You might speak like these people or you might outshine these people one day. But for that, you have to work harder, you have to be consistent, and you have to work on your constructive feedback. You need a person who can let you know what is right, what is wrong for you at the same time. If you are ready to venture this journey, if you are ready to do all these things, you can go for that. Otherwise, we all are like that. Right now, you are able to speak fluent English. I am also able to speak a little bit good English. How? Because of our hard work. We were very determined. We would speak this language, we would practice come rain or shine. That's why I think we people are a bit unique from others. If you want to be unique, you have to do something unique. So, yes. Hmm.
Many times we see that many students they come to us and they ask the same question. Sir, we don't know English, how to speak English, and but we want to speak English fluently. How much time it will take? What is the
What do you say?
answer for such students?
No,
Yes,
I want to know what
same.
do you say? If they ask this to you, what do you say? Then I'll answer.
Oh yes. Actually, I say all my students that if they ask me like this question, I say there is one quote you have to follow that. जब तक बोलेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. Because all the students have different types of IQ and learning skill.
Hmm.
What I can learn in 6 months, maybe just you will learn in 1 year, maybe in 2 months, 3 months. So for all the students, it can't be one answer and it will be fitted for all the students. It never be, isn't it? So I say, जब तक बोलेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. You try every day. Why not? You see, we have the YouTube channel. A lot of speakers are there. They speak fluent English. There. They speak very nicely. They articulate every is and every word. I think, like Kev sir, he says that I kiss the words. Oh my God, how do you kiss the words? When you start to kiss the words and each and every word you pronounce very rapidly and amazingly, after thinking that wow, this word it can affect anyone, then you become great English speaker. But it takes time. Then you tell me, sir, I think what is your answer for the students? They come to us and they ask, sir, how much time it will take, sir?
Yes. Suraj, you already answered it exquisitely. Yes, first of all, we should not have time barrier for this language. We should not have a certain deadline. Okay, within 3 months, I will learn this language. That would never ever happen. If you want to learn this language, you have to learn it till you are alive. So if you have this kind of mindset, you are ready to learn. Otherwise, that you are compelled to learn this language. This language is something you are going to enjoy every bit of it. Every day you will learn something new. Believe me, this language is really very vast. When it comes to pronunciation, we have to be circumspect while speaking. When it comes to writing, when it comes to grammar, when it comes to gestures, when it comes to verbal and non-verbal communication skills, I would say there are a great many things that you need to keep in mind when it comes to this language. How and vocabulary is there. Above all, vocabulary plays a pivotal role in speaking, in listening, in writing. How can you forget that? How is it viable to learn this language within 3 months, within 6 months? That would never happen, never ever happen. And it is up to you, as I must have told you this in the beginning, that if you want to learn this language only to grow your business, only to grow your personality, then it is fine. If you spend 3 months, you can easily understand others. But if you want to make your career in big companies, for that you have to work harder. You have to, sorry, you have to get in touch with this language almost for the lifelong. So this is my answer. I never ever tell them, and this question really brings a huge smile to my face. That how much time will it take? Yes, being a trainer, you must have been asked the same question multiple times. Tell me that am I really improving? Within a week, they would say that give me my feedback. Have I really improved? But who can make them understand? Being a trainer, you have to tell them. You have to show them the right mirror that you are not in the right time frame where I can give you the feedback, or where I can tell you whether you have indeed improved or not. Yes, sir.